Good afternoon, welcome back to my new main channel. I'm Bruce, and this is my storm video. If you're one of my Facebook friends, you saw my video, a little short one of the storm last night, 2 nights ago. Well, it's been it's been going on, but there'll be a short little thing here at the end. The showing today, this morning, was pretty nice, really nice and hot, and the wind has picked up again, and so you see this behind me. This is new, and you'll see the installation of this in this video, along with the pretty extreme weather we've been having over the last 3 days. So this is another side of Bali. So this is kind of a slice of life if you don't live in the tourist areas, and if you're not Instagramming and social media person trying to get people to come here and watch your channel. Gee, Bali's great, come to Bali. You know, nobody can come to Bali right now, so yeah, forget that, and I'll talk about that in my regular COVID-19 update, which we'll be doing tonight. So I'm gonna go and take a look at what's been happening over the last couple of days here with the storm, so you get an idea of what life is really like. It's not just sun, sandy beaches, mojitos, or avocado sandwiches, or whatever it is, coffee with little designs in them. It's real life on a tropical island, and we get extreme weather here now. In case you don't believe in climate change, there's been nothing like this here in this neighborhood in 31 years. And so let's take a look at what's been happening for the last few days. Okay, so people that say Bali is a paradise, right? It's just lovely, sun and everything. This is what it's like living on the ocean. This is our storm, storm tarp, storm curtains. This is new. We just put this up a month ago, and last night crashed. And this wind has not stopped. It's been going on for, right now it's 1 o'clock, and it started at 6 last night, so it's been going on. We're getting close to 24 hours, and it has not stopped. So this is the west, and you can see we got water everywhere. It just ripped this. There's a bottom to this, a wood bottom to this, and it was just ripped off. This is the north, so wind coming in from the ocean, so we've got it coming in from the west and from the north. And yeah, it's great living on the ocean, but not during the rainy season. So you see it's just gonna storm clouds, storms, and so this is the ocean today. Now you've seen this in other videos where this is completely calm, like glass, right? And this is what the ocean is like today. I don't even want to go down to see what's happening at street level right now. But wow, water is high. So if you're living in a villa in Canggu, maybe it's paradise, but living up here where regular people live, things could be things could be a little better today. And so this is part of my what do you do in Bali when you retire in Bali. So this is, how did that get loose? This is one of the things that you do. You repair things, you fix things, you clean up after storms. There's going to be a lot of cleaning to do here. Yeah. So we'll see what happens later on. And so this is what it is like. The storm has finally let up. It's been going for almost 24 straight hours. And this is what the balcony looks like. Trashed. This chair blew all the way across. This is a teak chair. It's not light. Blew all the way across the balcony. And you can probably hear the ocean out there making noise. So life in paradise. Okay, so the morning after, and it looks like another stormy day. So what am I gonna do? This is what's the results of the storm yesterday. This stuff was all blown around. And, well, let's move this chair out of the way. What about the ocean? So, this is the normally no wave ocean, and you can see and Zoe was up here a half hour ago. Let's go walking, Grandpa. Not right now, because I don't want to be out when the storm comes up. Take a look there. Look at those waves. Wow, this is like, I wonder if you could do surf on this? I guess if you were a surfer, maybe. Or not long enough. Well, time to clean up. Starting repairs on the mess from yesterday. Going to build a plexiglass, I don't know, not really a window, I don't know, plexiglass something, whatever we call it. It's still really windy and stormy. You can see the waves, these are not normal. And over here, and look at, well, they've already started working on my wife's house, at her store. So we'll take a look and see in a while.
Ada bang, ada gini tangga. Ada pakai tangga.
Hey. Given up on the tarp. I can see what's happening to the tarp here. It's way out, but I'm not closing my whole balcony off. But usually we don't get the wind from the north very strong. So we're going to close the west off just because I spent so much time and money replacing these tarps. This is the storm from up on the roof. So we have the guys downstairs fixing things, putting my new whatever that is there. And see a beautiful day in paradise, right? See the waves all the way out to the point there. So, if you see videos, you know how flat this water usually is. It's like glass. They're planning on sailing here. Take a look at that
Tapi semua.
tree down there. So this is the weather that kills all of our plants because we've got this wind coming in, and you get salt all over everything. And well, a lot of the plants die off, and then we have to start all over again during the good season. But so far, things are looking not too bad. So it's beautiful.
Semuanya bisa dah. Ya.
Mana?
Ini.
Ini. We're gonna have to fix the electrical thing that blew off yesterday. And trashed. So what do we do when you're retired? You spend a lot of time fixing stuff or supervising people fixing stuff. And there's way out there, which you probably can't see using this video, there's a big ship out there. Don't know what that is. Can't be a cruise ship because cruises aren't allowed here as far as I know. And yeah, take a look at the sky. Man, it is dark. These guys are going to try to get this downstairs without taking off. This is Indonesia. This is how we do things. Forget safety.
Kamu cakap.
Anda terbang.
Terbang.
Okay, and we've got everything is done here. It's looking nice and neat. Wow, that's cool. But look at this. The wind is back again. We don't get the wind coming in from the north that often like this, but boy, ow, ow, ow. It is, you can see it's blowing. It is blowing. Take a look at the sea. And the waves, wow. Take a look at those waves. I have never in 31 years seen waves this big here. This is incredible. Okay, so that's what's been happening. And now I'll show you just what it was like this morning. Because it was suddenly, wow, after 2 days of just craziness and yeah, lots of work and lots of cleaning up and hoping that the house didn't blow apart. We got this beautiful hot morning. Zoe and Masha the bear and I went out for a walk and shopping. And on the third day, it is over. Still have waves, but sunny skies. It's suddenly picked up again, and so who knows what's going to happen tonight? It's hard to tell. This is this is January 31st, and so the worst part of the rainy season is still to come. So this is what life is like in the kampung, and yeah, this is if you live in Bali, you may have gone through this. If you live in a more normal place, you know how things can be. Things break down, extreme weather, mold, mildew. Mosquitoes. Yeah, we got mosquitoes. I have mosquito bites all over me now because mosquitoes have come out because of the weather. And so, well, thanks for viewing. This is a different side of life in Bali. And yeah, stay safe. And the COVID-19 update will be out soon. Take care and be kind to someone.